Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Iswan here again. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to show you how to make your home smell good all day. This is a very simple recipe, and not only is this going to make your home smell good, but it's also going to prevent insects from entering your home. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So first of all, you are going to need a fabric softener. You have to make sure it's a concentrated form. I've got here my Fabuloso, and this is my favorite fabric softener. Next, I'll get a bowl and come in with some rock salt. I must say there is no right or wrong amount, just use any amount you want. Next, I'll pour in some fabric softener. With the help of a spoon, I'll mix everything up. Afterwards, I'll drop in some cloves. Cloves are very good for the prevention of insects. So ladies and gentlemen, our homemade air refreshener and insect repellent is ready. So you basically just put it in any corner in your home. You can put it in the kitchen, living room, bedroom, or even the bathroom. And you just leave it alone. This can last so many days. It is going to leave your house with a natural and gentle sweet smell. It doesn't leave you with that suffocating smell. It's just very mild. So I hope you did enjoy this, and I hope you are going to give it a try. If you do, let me know from the comment section how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.